ISE 2026, and we are with MultiDyne here, and I'm joined by Matt. Hi, how you doing, Matt?
Doing good, Simon. How are you?
Yeah, very well. Now, Matt, we're talking openGear here. Now, we often talk to you and your colleagues at MultiDyne at broadcast shows. We're at ISE, pretty much an AV show. What are you talking to people about this year?
So our openGear cards that are pretty popular are our MDog 6060 series, which is a 2110 gateway product. So we have options that are available for 2110 networks or JPEG XS. Different options are available in terms of how many channels within cap, decap, frame sync on each input, in-band NMOS status and control, with full dashboard, of course, as part of openGear. So that's one of our most exciting stories for openGear. Very cool too, because it can work with other MultiDyne products in openGear. So for example, our camera back product, our SilverBack, has the capability of talking to an openGear base station card. So in the same frame, you could have your SilverBack to an openGear card and then get right onto your network with our IP card right next to it. Gotcha. And that could segue, I guess, to the base station card for the SilverBack, which is our OG 7800 series, which is a fiber transport card that supports a ton of different signals, 4 channels of 12G SDI, 8x8 audio, Ethernet, 1 gig sync. You've got serial data and lots more.
Yeah. So at ISE, who is your ideal visitor to visit the booth, and what would they typically be using these for?
You know, it's a very wide range of proAV, but typically a lot of house of worship clients would use specifically some of the products I was just talking about. You know, we work very closely with a lot of tech companies. So we've done a lot of projects with some cool social media companies and search engine companies that have invested in a lot of this gear. Yeah.
Yeah, and again, the beauty of openGear is it's vendor agnostic. You can get multiple different vendors in one frame.
Exactly. So many applications, I can say, where there was already a frame there. So it was a very easy pick to choose our product because we just fit right in there.
Yeah. And are these both available now in shipping?
Yes, they are.
Wow. And where can people find out more information, Matt?
MultiDyne.com.
There we go. There we go. Check it all out at multidyne.com. And for everything else that we're doing at ISE, that's at KitPlus.com.